No. 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 There's nothing good on TV anymore. Mario, it's not my fault you're so poor and you can't afford Disney Plus. Look, I need to pay the rent.
Okay, that's why I'm not spending a single penny.
Ah! What's going on? Mario, what's wrong with the lights? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I did not fix any of the lights, so yeah, they're gonna do that. Wow. We are really this poor, huh? Yeah, well, pretty much. Man. I thought the news said it was gonna snow today. Well, have you even checked if it has snowed today? Well, no. I haven't checked. See, that's your problem. You can't do nothing. What is it? Never mind. Mario never wants to check nothing. He's so lazy and just a stupid bum. Mario! It's snowing! Cool, yeah, whatever. Mario, we gotta go! We gotta go! Oh my goodness. Luigi. Look at all the snow. Yeah, it's so crazy. You wanna have a snowball fight? What? Nothing. Oh, the snow feels so great. I haven't felt this in like a year. Mario, this probably dog. Where is it? Oh, it's just so relaxing out here.
What are you doing, Luigi?
Yeah, sorry. Luigi's getting a lot colder now. Luigi, please. What are you talking about? It's not even cold. Fine, let's go. Okay. I love making snow angels. So fun. I'm gonna freeze. Mario, you good? Yeah, I thought so. Mario, how are you so cold from that? Luigi, I was frozen for like 2 hours. It's still so cold. Well, I mean, right now it's really cold outside, so supposedly there's gonna be a blizzard or something, but like, I don't believe that. It's so cold. Huh? Why is the news on? I thought that went off air. Breaking news! A huge blizzard is coming for the Mushroom Kingdom. Everyone, stay safe out there. Stay warm inside your houses and make sure to not go outside whatsoever. And make sure to barricade your windows because this is going to be a super strong blizzard. So be careful and don't die. I told you, but you didn't listen. It's fine. It's not like the blizzard is gonna tear down the house or something. Did you hear that? Oh, what was that? We gotta go check it out. Okay. Oh no. Hopefully the window didn't break. Luigi, what are you doing over there? Is it gone? What do you mean, is it gone? What is it? Mario, are you okay, bro? What's happening? Luigi! That's too strong, Mario! Luigi! Where'd you go? on. Oh, Luigi, Luigi, where are you? Luigi! Mario, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. What happened? What's the blizzard, Mario? The blizzard. Oh, the lights went out. I think it's because the blizzard. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we know. But thankfully it's over. Huh? What? The lights are back on. What? Luigi, you were right. Really? Yeah, look, the lights are back on and the blizzard's over. What happens to the Beatles? I don't know, Mario, but thankfully it's over now. Yeah, that was actually crazy. Yeah. Ugh. So, you wanna play Mario Kart? The Nintendo Switch got broken because of the blizzard. Dang it!